women, daughter, wife, mother, sister, daughter in law. We play so many roles. We make no mistakes while taking care of our family, juggle with work and home very efficiently. But along the way, we have stopped caring about ourselves and our health, and it's taking a huge toll on us. Nearly 1 in 16 women are obese in India and have only been growing fatter over the past 15 years. Here are some of the problems women face due to obesity. Increased risk of chronic diseases, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, stroke, certain types of cancer, even hormonal imbalances, irregular menstrual cycles, PCOS, fertility issues, complications during pregnancy, gestational diabetes, high blood pressure, and even cesarean delivery. Emotional and psychological impact, low self esteem, body image issues, depression, anxiety, joint problems, and physical discomfort, sleep disorders, and of course, poor sleep quality, reduced quality of life, that is, limited mobility, we stop going anywhere, restricted physical activities, social isolation, impact on sexual health and relationships too. These are only some of the problems which I'm listing, which we women face if we are not taking care of our health right now. It's high time that we start right now, and not only for us, but also for our coming generations, because we are the key to the future. Ladies, let's start looking at fat loss in a different way for it is, and just not for getting into a particular dress or for a particular person, even, but for a healthy and happy life. Here in the MAT courses, I have simplified and shared all my 4 5 years of knowledge and experience so that you don't have to face any obstacles in your fat loss journey. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start.